This video is for our subscribers who are active duty military veterans, or if you're close with someone like that, you can share this video with them to make sure that they're getting the best deal on their insurance that they possibly can. So whether your prized possession is your sidearm, or that collection of books that you've never actually read before, or the uniform that you leave out on your couch to humble brag about, you're gonna need renter's insurance to protect all of your property. Hello everyone, welcome to an episode of School Circle. Today's briefing is brought to you by AFI, Armed Forces Insurance. Since 1887, Armed Forces Insurance has existed with a single purpose: to protect the people who protect our nation. For more than 130 years, AFI has provided military homeowner insurance, military's renter's insurance, and much more. Be sure to check them out for yourself at www.afi.org. You may not think you own anything important that's worth insuring, but think about all the time you spent packing and moving during your last PCS move. You own more than you think. The average 2-bedroom rental contains more than 20,000 in personal possessions. If you actually add up the total value of the items in your apartment, including furniture, clothing, electronics, and Pokemon cards — oh sweet, a Charizard, I didn't know I still had that. That's holographic. You'd be surprised to find out that your stuff is worth way more than you thought. How would you replace all of your belongings if they were destroyed in a fire? Or if someone broke in and stole your game setup? It would take way more than a paycheck to rebuild what you have now. Take Airman First Class Michael Lessick, for example. His rental home was destroyed by a fire, and it cost him and his wife an estimated $32,000 in losses. Michael Lessick did not have renter's insurance at the time, which left them with little or no options to recoup their losses. I don't know about you, but I don't have $32,000 laying around. Most people assume that they're protected under their landlord's insurance if anything happens to their stuff while they live on someone else's property. But that's not how it works. Property owners carry insurance that covers the structure itself, but their insurance doesn't include your personal belongings and won't help you if it's stolen or destroyed. If you're renting from the military by paying BAH for government-owned housing, the military still provides some protection. However, they set a limit for reimbursement that is usually much lower than the value of your items. This means that, as usual, the military will only reimburse the bare minimum, not what you really need. But is anyone surprised by that? Unlike homeowners, the majority of renters are not required to carry insurance. You might be thinking, great, maybe I'll actually pocket some of my take-home pay, but a renter's policy usually costs less than $20 per month and less than $200 total for the year. And it's worth far more than that when you file a claim. Renter's insurance does more than just protect your belongings, it's also there to protect you from yourself. We've all seen the AFN commercials showing just how easy it is to start a fire in your home, but they don't show the aftermath where you destroyed your neighbor's property, caused damages to the building. The cost of that property damage is on you, and you will be responsible for fixing your neighbor's property or rebuilding your home or apartment. Definitely not good. In this situation, depending on your policy, renter's insurance could provide upward of $100,000 or more to cover your liability. Finally, since renter's insurance covers your stuff, you can take it with you when you move. Upcoming PCS order? No problem. Most renter's insurance policies will cover your personal possessions during shipment or while in storage. This can add an extra layer of protection for those PCS mishaps. Before you get too excited, it's important to do a few things. First, take a moment to add up the value of your items and realize your own worth. I think you'll find everything you own is worth way more than you think, and that's worth protecting. Next, you need to find the right insurance company that understands the military and veteran community. If I didn't make it clear in the intro, it's AFI Armed Forces Insurance. Go to www.afi.org now for more information on how they can find you the best policy. Thank you for watching. I'm Chris Cappy, Task and Purpose out.